Invite me to dinner, I bet you never do it again. Lord forgive me, Lord forgive me, but I sell my soul for some ham. Hey, when they get my order wrong, bitch, where are my fries? Bitch, where are my fries? I can smell a 20-piece from 2 planets away. I got my burger, got my drink, my fries is missing. Now I'm angry, yelling, bitch, where are my fries? 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 Got burger, got drink, but the fries missing. Same thing happened my last visit. Fuck waiting all day, pitch time ticket. I came here, could've been buying chicken. In line and I'm rhyming. Make the bitches laugh, that's behind me. Pillsbury trying to sign me. Butterball so hard they wanna find me. Didn't order no nuggets, no 5-piece. I just wanna know where my fries be. They was made for him, he paid for them. And when they too hot, he bite them, blow him that coupon or that Groupon. Honey mustard, great coupon. Don't kill my vibe, don't poop on. No salad, no crouton. Just deep fry them potatoes. Attach a ticket that say low. Can't eat just what, can't say no. No 2 chains, 2 tables. No mayo, no tomato. No french fries is painful. You play Hunger Games, hold no tip on your table. I'm done it, not Tunchi. I eat cupcakes like coochie. I'm smooth, call me smoothie. On Groupon like groupies, what? Invite me to dinner, I bet you never do it again. Lord forgive me, Lord forgive me, but I'll sell my soul for some ham. Hey, when they get my order wrong, bitch, where are my fries? Bitch, where are my fries? I can smell a 20-piece from 2 planets away. I got my burger, got my drink, my fries is missing. Now I'm angry, yelling, bitch, where are my fries? 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 When fries get too hot, they burn in my mouth. Fire on the eye, getting too high, please turn that shit down. Can't fit in back seats. Crumbs on my shirt, on my cupcakes, pink leaf dishes in the sink. At the buffet like it's my house, eating it all like a whore. I don't eat one, bitch, I eat it all. Bite it and bend chew, yes, I intend to. Open my memory bank, and some me and Tweakies in the baby host this cake. Sleep with some fried chicken, dream about cake. Wait, watch a party, name one nigga out there larger than them, I'll wait. I've been gaining weight like 20 years straight. I've been eating pies like 20 years straight. My blood pressure high, blood pressure high. Nights like this, I can eat up the pie and still vacate. Fall back, bitch, I keep a lot on my plate, can't catch my breath. I don't know how many choosing nigga got left, don't go to see the point. Can't ride the fucking rides, what's the motherfucking point? I'm the fattest title, 300 Uno. Go serve fries at my motherfucking funeral. Invite me to dinner, I bet you'll never do it again. Lord forgive me, Lord forgive me, but I sell my soul for some ham. Hey, when they get my order wrong, bitch, where are my fries? Bitch, where are my fries? I can smell a 20-piece from 2 planets away. I got my burger, got my drink, my fries is missing. Now I'm angry, yelling, bitch, where are my fries? 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 I really do hate that shit, though. Lowe Dunnit, baby.